Do you want to recover your deleted messages on WhatsApp? If yes, here's the quick and easy trick on how you can restore your messages with just one click. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. If you have a recent iCloud backup of your WhatsApp chats, you can restore your messages from that backup. But if you don't, you'll not only able to do this, but if you don't, then you won't need to do this. Now, to recover your deleted chat, follow these steps. Step 1. Uninstall WhatsApp from your iPhone. Tap and hold the WhatsApp app until showing the jiggle. After that, tap on Remove the app and tap on Delete app. Again, tap on Delete and your app will be uninstalled. Solution 2. Reinstall WhatsApp from the App Store. Open the App Store, search WhatsApp, and tap on Install. Now open the WhatsApp app. After that, enter your phone number and verify your identity. When you are asked to restore your chat history, simply tap on Restore Chat History and your chats will be restored. So, this is how you can restore your WhatsApp chats. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.